CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this video, I'm breaking down my exact play and everything. And as the only guy that has actually done 41,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen myself what's working for me and what's not. I mean, genuinely speaking, all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more. Even if I pull up here, you can see that I've had previous receipts with CRCL, and that's like this video that I called out here, right? So I know it's sort of gapped up and everything, but it is what it is. You can see it was 76 bucks, expecting it to come to 100 4 days back, and since we absolutely did that, the only thing that's actually left is I still have hope, and that hope is only going to transmit right now here with me buying as long as there is a double break shift. I got the first one, hooray. Second one must happen, and if that's not the case, then I guess I'm not buying. It's quite simple. So we'll continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my emails, free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one.